Welcome to the LightARchitect App tutorial video by Cooper Lighting Solutions. First, point your device to the floor to register your space and let it scan by moving the device side to side. Then, press the plus button to add your fixtures. Navigate through the assortment of fixtures and click on your choice. You should now see your fixture in the space. Tap and move the fixture to your target location, and with outdoor fixtures, you can also move the fixture head. There is a menu of features, and here the position feature was chosen, showing how you can adjust the pole length up and down. When ready, click Done, and you can even see your illuminance values and foot candles by clicking the distribution icon. You can also move around to see your design from different angles. So, as you can see, LightARchitect opens the door to design by enabling you to visualize lighting fixtures in any space and makes lighting design as mobile as you are with augmented reality technology.